At Atlantic Bicycle, we are recumbent specialists with the largest selection in Florida of adult and recumbent trikes of all makes and sizes, tandem bicycles, and recumbent tandems. We're located at 4980 West Atlantic Boulevard, Margate, Florida.
Good morning, folks. Today is July 10th, the 27th day, yes, of the Tour Discovery, and I'm riding out of Philadelphia, and it's raining. It's actually drizzling. Right now it sounds like there's a lot of rain, but I'm not under the canopy. The thing is, I'm going through this trail, and it is gravel, and so I have to go very slow. But it, in a way, even though it's gravel, it does beat the heavy traffic of the city. I had to make a change of plans. Oh, here I'm going over a bridge, and here to my left is a canal. I mean, it really looks like a gloomy day, but, you know, I'm nice and warm. I'm actually dry, so I can't complain. So I was saying that I had to make a change in my plan. My plan originally was going to be, I was going to get off the Adventure Cycling Association route, and I was going to go south from Philadelphia into Delaware, but there's been some public safety issues. There was a neighborhood where there were several killings in the southern part of Philadelphia. The neighborhood, I believe, goes by the name of Chester, and sort of the route that I had planned took me either right through it or very close to it, and plus the traffic, it's horrendous. I did not want to risk it, so what I decided to do, this is the time when you have to bring down the canopy, by the way. Now it's starting to pour. So, look how easy it is, you guys. Let me tell you. Veltup, great product. I want to secure it here as soon as I stop filming. But in any event, so what I decided to do, and the other thing that was going to happen is by doing that, I was going to miss Lancaster County, which is the area here in Pennsylvania where you see the Amish communities, and that's a great part of our American, experience and story. So let me turn this around. I decided that what I'm going to do is I am going to continue, and I'm going to go into Lancaster County. Going to follow the route Adventure Cycling Association, and then what I am going to do is once I get into Maryland, on the northern part of Maryland, there is a road that takes me just across the north, very close to the border between Pennsylvania and Maryland, into Delaware. I'll go into Delaware and I'll come back. It will add about 100 miles to the journey, but I prefer to add the distance if it's going to reduce the risk of me getting hurt. I really don't want to be run over or end up in a bad neighborhood and then have to address the situation and conditions of absolute disadvantage. So, look at this. Nice rain, one of the canals. Wouldn't you want to be here? Nice and warm and cozy. But I'm still dry. I mean, what we have in all my legs is really actually sweat. Okay, guys, I am coming to 3.5 minutes, and I will catch you later. Raining everywhere, but I am nice and dry. I am telling you guys, this is the best combination of equipment. I am doing a nice, let's see, 8 miles per hour right now. I'm filming. I'm dry, and it's raining. Oh, come on, I'm on the trail that parallels the river. See, hold on, there's a little intersection here. These openings are so critical because you get to see what's to your sides. But it's been raining, I mean, to the point that some of the puddles I thought I wasn't going to be able to cross because in some places it's flooded. But I'm telling you, this is the best combination. Touring trike by Cat Trike, outfitted by Josh Beatty at Atlantic Bicycle, and he provided me incredible technical support and just all the advice. And the canopy by Veltup, Remember, go to the site, Veltup, because this is, well, the recumbent model, but there's one for a bicycle. How many times you want to go out cycling, but it's raining, and you know, obviously no one wants to get wet. Well, with Veltop, it's incredible. Your upper body is essentially dry. Look at this. I mean, I would be wet as a duck right now if it weren't. Oh, hold on. There's another intersection. Get to cross it, not a problem. This is, you know, I haven't lost any body heat. My legs are dry, you know, because once they get wet, then you start losing a whole bunch of body heat, and it's doing the job. All right, I'm coming to a sidewalk here that connects with the station, so I'm going to stop filming. As always, I will catch you later. Today is July 10th, the 27th day of the Tour of Discovery, and I find myself in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania. And I'm here just by chance. The weather, as you know from the previous movies, previous films that you see in the videos, it's terrible. So I had to stop here today. The interesting thing is that this little town, and if we look here behind, is where the movie The Blob was filmed. And from my understanding, yesterday they had a reenactment. And there's the theater, and you have 1950s and 1960s cars with Bond bread, or Bond bread, in any event, little discovery. I wasn't meaning to even come by this town. My goal was to continue to Lancaster County, but the rain was just horrible, and fortunately it did stop a little bit. I mean, it's still, as you can see, people still have umbrellas. And it's drizzling, but it was just really bad. And so it's interesting that we discovered these little things, and I'm just going to go around town. I'm going to take some photography of some of the vintage cars, and I understand they're having a parade. It's been held because of the weather, and well, little discovery. I guess this is why it's called Tour of Discovery, you know, traveling and discovering different parts about the country. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you later. So folks, this is a famous theater where the movie was filmed, and well, up above we can see an inflatable, I guess, replica of the Blob. That's where it was pouring out, and everybody was running out of the theater in the movie. And so, well, it's helpfully air conditioned. One of those great inventions, air conditioning. And here we have, well, the National Bank of Phoenixville. So, nice little town, quaint. Buildings are phenomenal. I mean, the colors, the contrast. Look at this, all the way from the blue to the reds to the grays. You know.
T-shirt 2010 here from Colonial Theater. Help support this great game.
Yeah, look at this.
They have a trivia contest coming up between 2 and 2:30, sometime around there. We'll be announcing that. And until then, there's just more rock and roll.
Okay. So, little part of popular culture, the American popular culture. Yeah, just look at the colors of the city. I mean, little town. So, incredible. Little thing I discovered. Didn't plan it. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you later.